In a world where automation is taking over heavy lifting, there's one machine built to do it all: the A025 heavy-duty large robot platform. A powerful, intelligent, and adaptable robotic base that redefines what mobility means in industrial and research robotics. The A025 is not just a robot, it's a modular robotic platform engineered for strength, precision, and endurance. Built with industrial-grade components, this large-scale mobile platform is capable of carrying payloads up to 200 kilograms, making it a true workhorse for laboratories, industries, and field operations. Let's talk design. The A025 is crafted from high-strength aluminum alloy, combining rigidity with a lightweight frame. Its independent suspension system and high-grip wheels allow it to maintain perfect traction even on gravel, mud, or uneven terrain. With its rugged chassis, the A025 can confidently traverse outdoor environments where typical robots simply fail. Every curve and joint has been precision engineered to withstand vibration, dust, and demanding workloads. One of its standout features is omnidirectional mobility. The A025 can move forward, backward, sideways, and even rotate on its axis, offering full 360-degree maneuverability. This means it can navigate tight factory floors or narrow corridors with ease, saving valuable time in logistics, inspection, or transportation tasks. The onboard high-torque brushless DC motors ensure smooth acceleration and precise speed control even when carrying maximum load. Under the hood, the A025 is fully compatible with ROS, the robot operating system. This gives developers and engineers complete flexibility to program autonomous navigation, object tracking, and environmental mapping using sensors like LiDAR, cameras, ultrasonic modules, and GPS. The platform supports open-source integration, customization. Whether it's a research prototype or a mission-ready autonomous vehicle, the A025 is designed to be the perfect foundation. Powering this beast is a high-capacity lithium battery pack, delivering hours of continuous operation on a single charge. Its smart power management system ensures energy efficiency and monitors performance in real time. Need longer operation? The modular battery system allows quick swap or expansion, making it ideal for continuous 24/7 industrial use. The A025 isn't limited to one purpose, its versatility is its strength. In industry, it can be used for material transport, automated logistics, and smart factory automation. In research, it's a perfect testbed for AI navigation, robotics experiments, and sensor integration. In defense or rescue, it can carry supplies, sensors, or robotic arms into challenging environments where humans can't go. And for education, it serves as a robust learning platform for advanced robotics courses and innovation labs. Rain, dust, heat, the A025 is ready for it all. With an IP-rated weather-resistant design, it performs flawlessly in outdoor field tests and extreme conditions. Its strong frame and sealed electronics make it reliable for long-term missions, from warehouse automation to environmental monitoring and agricultural robotics.